morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 17. Happy Monday. I hope you guys have a blessed day. New day, new blessings. It's about 9:47 in the morning. I went to ShopRite and did a little food shopping. I just had some breakfast and now I'm heading out with my mom to IKEA. We're actually going to be redoing our living room. We ordered new couches, so I'm going to get a coffee table there. And then I'm going to see how I'm going to switch up the whole design, wall art and stuff like that, because I actually have chocolate brown couches now, but now we're getting a gray couch and two taupey chairs. So I'll just show you guys. So the couch that we have is too big for the space. We've had it for 5 years already, and I'm just ready to utilize the space and be able to redecorate. So over here we're gonna have a gray couch, and then over there we're gonna have two chairs, so I'll finally have space for a coffee table. And then I'm going to change up the artwork, maybe take the sticks out of this vase, and yeah, so I'm excited to see the transformation, and you guys will see it as well. We've changed so many things in this house, and I finally feel like we're getting to a place where we're going to be done. So we're going to head to IKEA, get a coffee table. I'm going to look at other stuff too, like rugs, wall art, and just see what I'm feeling, what I like, and then we'll go with that. I did get this wall clock to go in the living room, but I don't know how it's going to look with the gray couch and stuff, so it's going to hang out on the floor until then. But let's get our day started. We have a couple of errands to run, and we're just going to do a chill Monday. Okay, so we're back from IKEA. I have the coffee table just resting over here. I'm going to see if it has a picture. Oh, hold on. So I got the LAC coffee table. So it just has this is the coffee table, and then the second, I don't know what you call that. Second level, second part, bottom half, bottom shelf, right there, which I think it's going to be so dope because I can put stuff on top here and stuff down here. And also my side tables are the LAC, which is the same thing. It just doesn't have, this is my soundbar, it just doesn't have the second part underneath. So they're all going to match, and that's going to be amazing. But with the wall clock over there and the coffee table, I didn't want to build a coffee table, but I think that I might. But I gotta find a place for all this stuff, because having it out and about and then in the dining room where it's super decorated and lovely is literally driving me nuts. But I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. I'm literally starving, and I'm gonna eat, and then I don't know, I'm gonna see if maybe I build all this stuff later, or see if maybe my honey bun wants to hang that wall clock. I just need to clear up some of the clutter. I know you're probably thinking girl, it's two things, but it's two things in this room, and other places are a little bit cluttered, and clutter just drives me crazy. But I'm gonna get in the kitchen and make myself a sandwich. I finished my Sammy and chips. If you don't like Lay's kettle cooked jalapeno chips, you don't know what you're missing. And I don't even like spicy food, but they're my favorite chips. So I moved our coffee table and wall clock next to Nathaniel's cage. I don't mind the clutter so much because I could just do this. And it's I can't see it. But I really can't wait to get the furniture. But I'm going to hang out on the couch. I actually have to edit yesterday's vlog. I'm thinking it won't take too long because it was kind of short. But I'm going to get that done. I do have to head to work in a little bit. Alright guys, so it has been, I don't even know how many hours. It's currently 9:30 at night. I've been home for a few hours from work. I had dinner, relaxed, chilled out on the couch. Trying to make some plans here and stuff. So I'm getting ready for bed and I am so tired, but I thought I would film a little bit of like a nighttime routine. It's not going to be full and in-depth, but this is just things that I do at night, getting ready for bed and stuff like that. So before taking care of myself and pampering myself and self-care and stuff like that, I like to make sure that everything is done around the house. So I like to put everything back where it belongs, so the house isn't messy when I wake up. So like I said, the first thing I like to do is take care of stuff around the house. So throw out any junk mail, put things back in its place, and make all the lunches. Now I eat lunch at home now, but before when I, didn't eat lunch at home and stuff like that, I always make the lunches and stuff the night before. That just saves more time in the morning and extra time for you to be asleep. So even though I don't take lunch to work, Edsel takes lunch to work and I make it for him. So I'm about to make those lunches, get them in the fridge, and it's just sandwiches, 2 sandwiches. He's pretty simple when it comes to lunches, and then I'm going to pick up all the stuff around the house. And the last thing I like to do before I leave the kitchen and close the kitchen, aka just turn off all the lights, is take my vitamins. I don't always remember to take them in the morning, so it's just easier for me to take them at night. I take a multivitamin, iron and vitamin D because I am anemic, and I also take vitamin C. With the weather changing and stuff like that, I'm really trying to prevent myself from getting sick. So now that the kitchen is pretty much clean, in order, and we got our things situated for the next day, I just turn off the lights. So now that the kitchen, lunches, anything that I need to have prepared for the next day is already taken care of, now it's time to take care of myself. Now I am inside the walk-in closet. The air quotations is basically because this is not a closet. We live in a 2-bedroom, so we made the 2nd bedroom kind of like a walk-in closet where I have my vanity, we keep our clothes, our shoes. We have a TV that we can watch while we get ready and stuff like that. Just because in our bedroom we could fit like the dresser and stuff like that, but like a huge vanity like this and things like that just wouldn't fit, and we love it, we enjoy it. It's a great way to use our extra space. So this is our walk-in closet. I'm going to go ahead, I really want to do a face mask because I have like some pimples and stuff. I don't know where they're coming from. So I'm going to do a face mask. I'm going to tidy up around in here because in here can get messy. It has turned from a walk-in closet to a little bit of everything. If I don't want nobody to see it outside in the living area, I put it in here. So I'm going to go ahead, get a face mask on, tidy up around here, and then finally take a nice hot shower. Okay, so now that I've treated my face to a face mask and I've taken a shower, moisturized, and put my comfy t-shirt and pajama pants on, the last 2 things I like to do before bed is fill up my humidifier. I get really dry, like sinuses and stuff at night, so I just have the Vava humidifier that I'm just going to fill up with some water, and of course I'm going to brush my teeth. Alright, and that is it. That is my nighttime routine. I know it's not glamorous, but it's realistic. I like to do my things at night, get my mind clear, get my body cleaned up, and really just get a good night's rest. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a beat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!